Hello friends, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wired Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to interface an RF24L01 module with Arduino. We will program to send data from one Arduino to another Arduino, and we will control LED like turn on and turn off remotely. So let us get started. This is schematic diagram. This is transmitter part and this is receiver part. Here you can see an RF24L01 board is connected with Arduino over SPI protocol, and pin sequence you can see VCC is connected to 3.3 voltage and ground is connected to ground, and this is CE pin is connected to D9, and this is SCK pin is connected to 13 number pin of Arduino. This is master in slave out, this is connected to 12 number, and this one is IRQ is connected to 8 number, and this is master out slave in is connected to 11 number, and this is CS, I think CS pin is connected to 10 number. So I hope you understood this connection diagram. Connection diagram of transmitter and receiver is same, only difference is here is input button and here is output LED. So button is connected on D2 number pin and LED is connected on D3 number pin. If here I will show you demonstration, if I will press the button then LED will turn on, and release the button LED will turn off. So we will see in programming step by step. One thing, here I have connected capacitor, 10 microfarad capacitor in both circuit. This is optional, if it is not working then you can use this capacitor, but in my case I am using NRF adapter. I will show you. NRF adapter input voltage is 5 voltage, then it is provided to board 3.3 voltage constant. Okay, now we will see Arduino programming. Here I have added library of NRF24L01. This is header file and this is CPP file and this is main file. Here I have included NRF24L01 library, and I have initialized button on 2 number. This is transmitter address. This is data, it will transmit from transmitter to receiver, and here I have initialized an RF module and it will print transmitter mode. Here you can see this is function of set TX mode. It will be set as a transmitter, and if I will press the button then an RF module will send the data TX buffer. So here is TX buffer A, then it will send A, and this is check acknowledge function, it will flash the data. So I hope you understood this. I have already connected the board, so I will upload. So first of all we have to select here board is Arduino Nano 8 mega 328P old bootloader is okay. So we have doubt what is COM port, so once I will check device manager and ports. You can see this is USB serial port, COM port 13. So I think here it is correct. So now I will upload this. Okay, code has been uploaded. Now I will open receiver module code and I will explain you. This is library. I will provide you link, you can download from description box. Okay, this is receiver code. So similar to transmitter part, I have already attached here library, header file and cpp file, and this is main file. Here is connections with Arduino. You can see like CE pin is connected to 9 number, CS pin is connected to 10 number, SCK pin is connected to 13 number, MOSI pin is connected to 11 number, MISO pin is connected to 12 number, and IRQ pin is connected to 8 number. So here it is clear, I think. In previous code these are same, only change here LED is connected on 3 number and NRF initialized and NRF set mode as a receiver. Here this is NRF receive function. If it will receive any data, then cursor comes to inside the if condition. Okay, then data will store in data variable. Okay, and it will print on serial monitor, and here it will check again data. If data is A, then LED will be turned on, otherwise LED will turn off. Okay, so what I will send the data from transmitter, then it will print on serial monitor. So I hope you understood this. Code is very simple. I will provide you link in description box. You can easily download from there. So I will also upload this code. Here I will check the board. Everything is okay. I think here is 30 number it is showing, but I have not connected to receiver board. I will disconnect first transmitter board, then I will connect again receiver board. Okay, I will check again. I think this is 12 number. Okay, I will upload. Okay, code has been uploaded. I will show you my circuit and I will explain you. This is my breadboard circuit. This is transmitter part and this is receiver part. I have connected here LED and here is connected button. Button is connected on 3 number and LED is connected on 2 number, and this is NRF module. This is NRF trans receiver. So both are same. You no need to use different for transmitter and receiver. This module can work as a transmitter and this module can work as a receiver. Okay, and here I am using adapter. This is NRF adapter because it can easily connect with Arduino. You can see like this. You can insert and eject easily, and I am not using here any special capacitor. Everything is now okay, it is working. So I have already uploaded program, so I will show you working. You can see if I will press the button, LED is blinking. Okay, and I will show you in serial monitor. Okay, I will open serial monitor. Here is printing RX mode start. Right now I will press the button. It is printing A because I am sending A. If I will press the button, it is sending A, and receiver will check the data. If data is A, then LED will glow. So it is working good. You can use anything like drone and wireless remote control car, everything. So okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like my video, you can support me on PayPal and Petra. And don't forget to press like button, subscribe button and share button. Thanks for watching.